Yo guys, welcome back onto our channel. And today in this video, as you know, in my if you have seen my 2x2 unboxing video, in which I told I'll be uploading a video on how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's cube, and it's very easy. And if you know how to solve a 3x3 as well, that's well and good. And if you don't, that's okay as well, because for solving a 2x2 you don't need experience, or you don't need to learn a 3x3. But if you know a 3x3, then that's well and good. And a 2x2 is actually like the edges of a 3x3, and it's pretty easy as well. And if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, not a problem, I'm here, and I can teach you how to solve the cube. So guys, now we are going to get started with this. So now if you know how to solve a 3x3, or yeah, or if you want to learn the 3x3, you can watch my tutorial on 3x3, which I'll be giving the link in the description, so you can go and watch it there. And then all of you guys if you are loving the cubing content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that I can upload much more interesting cubing content. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video now, and I'm going to teach you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's cube. So now first, for 2x2, as we know, if you know a 3x3, so we start by solving the white cross, but we don't have a mid piece over here, so we are going to just solve a white face and a layer. By the layer I mean to say, suppose it is we need all same colors, like orange and orange, blue and blue. Suppose we need same colors on the other side. So now I'll just show you what a layer looks like. So now you can take any of the white corner pieces you want. Suppose you want to take this piece right here. This is a white corner piece. Now just look at the colors what it has instead of white. So it has orange and blue. So now we're going to look for a piece which has either orange or either blue, and you're not going to get a piece with both of them. So now I'm gonna just do like this. So I found a piece which has orange, and orange is here. So if I just do like this, so orange comes on the top, and this creates a layer. So now we have this piece over here. So just to insert this piece, we are going to just move the upper layer to the left, like this, like this. We are going to bring the right layer up like this. Now we are going to take the layer which we took that side around to this side, to the right, and then bring it back. So as you can see, this got inserted. Now here is one bar completed, so we have to complete this bar as well, then this bar, and then this one. So this completes a layer and a face as well. This layer, this face, and this layer. Okay, so now let's get into our next piece. Now we are going to hold the side which we are doing below, which corner piece, and then I'm just going to rotate the cube at this side, or you can rotate it at this side. Any side would do. So I'm just going to rotate it here, and look for a piece which has green. This has green. No, this has, yeah, green is here, but I want it on the right. So I'm just going to move this by one move towards my right, and then I'm going to do these four moves, the sequence of these four moves. So now if you know 3x3, you must know this sequence, and some people who don't know how to solve a 3x3 would not know this sequence. So let me just tell them again. Are but guys, I every time say, whenever I upload a cube video, please do not learn the moves by the algorithms, or if you can, that's good. And if you have a low memory like me, I cannot learn algs, so I just remember the moves like this. So I want to do the move now, these moves up. Now we are going to move it to the left. Now we are going to move it down, then to the right. We are going to continue this move until this piece comes over here. So it is not here, so I'll have to do it again. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. Guys, it's here again. Now we have two bars completed, these two. As you can see, this bar and then this bar, and only one corner is left for our face to get completed. So now we are going to just look for that corner piece here, here, here. Yeah, I see it over here. It was already here, but to just tell you guys, now we have got a case where our white case is above, so we are just going to do the four moves which I told you earlier to bring it over here. So now let's do the sequence. Up, now to the left, down, now to the right. Up, to the left, down, to the right. Up, to the left, down, to the right. Now as you can see, our face is complete and our bar is complete as well. Now this is called a layer, with all colors matching on our sides and the face getting complete. Now guys, we have to complete the whole cube. Now in the 3 by 3, if you know 3 by 3, we used to, after completing our face, we used to do the second layer. But here we don't have a second layer, and after second layer we used to do this what do we call this, cross, and then the other corners. So now here, as we saw for matching our mid pieces, well, for matching our corners, we saw the two mid pieces, but here we don't have any mid pieces. So we are going to look, suppose suppose it is yellow. So now we are going to just look for other colors. Now like here we have blue and red and blue, so we are going to just go here. I saw red and blue, but here we'll have to ignore the yellow color because it's going to come on the top. So if this twists, then yellow is going to be get solved. So we are just going to look at the colors instead of yellow. So it is blue and red, and it has blue here and then red over here. So this is matching. One is matching. This is green and this is red. This is orange and this is green. This is not matching. This is orange and this is green. Orange and orange, and this is green, and this is green, and this is red. Is it matching? No. So now we will go on to our next piece. Orange and blue. So now we are going to watch for other pieces. Orange, blue. Okay, so these two are matching. So when you get a case of two matching, we want, so here we want one matched, or we don't, or we want all of them matched. So here are two matched. So I'm just going to twist the side once. So now just look for a side which is matching. Here this side is matching, and this side, and now all other side, if you observe, nothing is matching. This is matching, yes. Orange and green, orange and green, green and blue and orange, and green and red, red and blue, and orange and blue. So nothing else is matching rather than this piece. So now we are going to do this set of moves. This is very easy to remember from the set of moves. Now we are going to move the upper layer to the left, then the right layer up, then we are going to do the same thing for the left side. Now we are just going to move it to the right. Now we are going to bring this layer up. Now we are going to do everything again, but in the reverse. Now I'm going to bring this bring this corner back, get it down, bring this corner back, get it down. So if you have a better luck, you could solve a cube after these moves. Sometimes after doing this move, my cube gets solved, but if the cube doesn't get solved, you'll have to do one more move. Now just check, is everything matching? Now orange and here is blue. So here is orange and blue, so this is matching. Red and blue, and this is also red and blue, so this is also matching. This is green and red, and this is green and red as well. Oh, this is also matching. And this corner piece, orange and green, and orange and green, this was already matched. So now as you can see, everything is matched. So guys, if you can run into one more case, like after doing these moves, everything does not match, so continuously do those moves and see if it matches. Now guys, if you have two corners matching, so just rotate the upper layer once so that you can see only one matched, and do the set of moves which I told you earlier. So now let's get into our next part, which is solving the cube. So guys, just hold the side we want to solve here, and the side you have solved, and the layer above you. So we are going to just twist the cube upside, we are going to just rotate the cube upside down. So the corner which you want to solve is going to be here, and the face we have solved is going to be on the top. Now any side would work, blue, red, green, any side, any color. So now we are going to complete the corners. By completing the corners, in the sense I mean to say, you're going to just do these moves. Now you have a corner over here, and if you bring it over here, and you want to bring it over here, so we are now going to do the other rest of the corners. So now we are just going to do the 4 moves. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. I did it very fast, so guys, I'll do it for you again. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4. So guys, now as you can see, we want this corner piece to get inserted over here. So now we are going to do the 4 moves which I told you. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Now one corner is left. Now we are going to do that again. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, and then right. Now as you can see, everything is done, and we are just one move away. Done. As you can see, the whole cube is being solved. Guys, this was the tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And if you want to see more Rubik's Cube content, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. I keep on uploading this interesting content every time. guys. And while solving a cube, you could I told you as doing the corners. So you have to just do one move until you get a corner over here or here, or you can get it over here or here, and then do the set of four moves that I told you earlier to just solve the corners. Then you are going to, suppose this corner is done, now I have to solve this, so now you have to do the four moves again so that you can solve the whole cube. And guys, if you have any problems, please share your problems in the comments. I'll probably answer those. And okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye.